In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create newsletter polls with Beehiiv. Polls are a quick, interactive way to learn what your readers think and make your content more engaging. In just a few minutes, we'll go from the dashboard to a saved poll that's ready to use in your emails. I'll also share simple tips along the way so your poll is clear, focused, and easy for subscribers to answer. First, sign into your Beehiiv account and head to your main dashboard. From here, look to the left-hand navigation and click on Subscribers. This section houses the tools that help you understand and engage your audience. Inside Subscribers, select the Polls tab. This is your hub for everything related to polls, creating new ones, organizing existing polls, and checking performance later on. Next, start a fresh poll. If this is your first time, you'll see an option to create your first poll. Otherwise, click the button to create a new poll. You'll be taken to a setup page. Begin by entering a clear, descriptive title. Think of the title as your internal label, something that makes it easy to find and reuse the poll later. Keep it short and specific so you can quickly recognize it in your list. Now fill out the main poll content. Write the question you want readers to answer. Aim for a single, straightforward question that can be answered quickly. If there's a spot for a brief description, use one concise sentence to clarify any context your audience might need. Keep it neutral and avoid leading language so your results are more reliable. In the highlighted fields, type your first answer option. Make it a short phrase that's easy to scan on mobile. Then, in the next highlighted field, add your second option. Provide at least two options and make them mutually exclusive so readers don't have to guess which best fits. If you're adding more, try to keep the total manageable. 3 to 5 options often work best and reduce decision fatigue. When everything looks good, click Save. Saving will store your poll in the polls area so you can drop it into a newsletter when you're drafting an email. After your audience begins responding, you'll be able to return to the same poll section to review results and learn what resonated. That's it. You've created a Beehiiv poll that's clean, clear, and ready to boost engagement.